I hear that when you first launch in 2022, there were 2 weeks of crickets, like 2 weeks where no one showed up.
Definitely the first 2 weeks were very difficult. Our go-to-market, the way we communicated, the way we put forward our value proposition was not understood. One of my mentors in that moment in time tells me, Pedro, how are you doing? I can imagine that everybody wants to take a piece of these. So everybody wants to download the app. Everybody wants to work with Cashea. It's like, no. It's like, it's been 2 weeks and there's little downloads, no transactions whatsoever. This is not working. And what was not working was we got our go-to-market wrong. And he basically tells me, quit whatever you're doing right now and give me a call. And basically what we understood was we were trying to gather or bring clients from online to go offline, and did not understand that clients were doing their transactions offline, and that we needed to meet them where they are. That for us to build trust, we needed to understand how consumers were buying, and building trust in the point of sale was the way to go. Month one, we just after we changed the strategy, we did $10,000. Month two, we did 25. Month three, we did 450,000. But yeah, rocky start.